Which of the following original competitive exam question? Which of the following are factors for n equivalent to 41 power 4? If any student is preparing seriously for aptitude exams, please do not miss any classes of ANC, sir. If you want to know why answer, you can ask the people who are watching every day, going through it. Every day they are growing in terms of content. Write down 42, 65, 20, 65 and 20. Write down this question. Which of the following are factors for 41 power 4 plus 31 power 4 minus of 21 power 4 plus 11 power 4? Listen carefully. If the question is of the form numerator, this you should understand. Otherwise, next few questions, reminder problems, you will do step by step. If the denominator is a composite number, write the number as a product of coprimes. I want every student to listen carefully to this problem. Product of, very good Swarna, keep it up. If the denominator is composite, write the number as a product of coprimes. Listen carefully. Please do not open the bracket. Don't do a power n minus b power n. If you are looking for traditional methods, please do not watch my live class. I am not the person for you. The day when you get rejected, when you don't get the percentile you desire, right, that time it will hurt you. And I am telling you because I believe I am right. I have seen from past 12 years so many students, right, taking exam very lightly. Please don't do that. 42. Now, if I am solving this question, I will not open the bracket. Listen carefully. I will first attack 20. Sir, why you choose 20? 20 is composite. It is product of coprimes is 5 into 4. I choose 20. If it is not divisible by 5, automatically all three will be incorrect. Answer will be 42. If it is not divisible, I don't know whether if it is divisible or not. I hope you are all with me. Be a little bit of smart. Hard-working student will not succeed always, sir. Hard-working student with a little bit of smartness only will succeed. 5 into 4. That is the reason I choose 25. 5 8s are 40, remainder 1. 5 6s are 30, remainder 1. 5 4s are 20, remainder 1. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. That means it is divisible by 5. Next, if it is divisible by 4, 4 10s are 41. 4 8s are 32, minus 1. Minus 1 power even is 1. 4 5s are 21. 4 3s are 12, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 means if 6 is divisible by 2, remainder 0. 2 is a factor of 6. Definitely 20 is there, but there is an option 65 and 20. It is 5 into 4. 65 is 5 into 13. 5 already done. Let me do it for 13. Let me do it for 13. Listen carefully. 13. 13 3s are 13 9. I will use a different color. 13 3s are 13 9. 2 power 4. 13 2s are 26. 5 power 4. Minus of 13 2s are 26. 5 power 4. 13 ones are 13, 2 power 4. This 0. It is divisible by 13 also. Answer is 65 and 20. By looking at the question, students might tick mark 20 as the answer, which is incorrect. Answer is 65 and 20.